start, you firstly need a video. I have here a random video of mine where I just circle around a new podium vehicle in GTA 5 Online, and then you wanna go to media generators, sorry, and text and titles, and here you can see all the texts with all the animations you can get. I think I'm just going to use this one, but first you don't wanna just like drag it here because it's gonna override the video. So look, like if I do this, it's gonna override the video, so you don't wanna do that. You wanna add a new video track so it's over it, because also if you put it down here and you just start it, then nothing happens because it's under what you see here. So you need it to be over. So now you can drag it here, and now as you can see, stop, it's over the footage that you already have. So that's the basics, but you also want to change some stuff in here. So here you can change the color of the text. I want to make it blue. I'm gonna take it to here and drag this like this, and some of like this, and then of course you can choose what text you prefer, and the size, just make it so people can see. You can make it bold and so on. And here's the animation that you choose here. So if you already chose the animation here, there's no point in changing it here. Here you can scale it. As you can see over here, it makes it bigger or smaller. I'm gonna make it like this. And you can change the position of the text, but I don't think it will change right now because it didn't do the animation at the start. So I'm just gonna put it in the center of the screen, and here on the you can go to outline, and here you can make the outline bigger, as you can see, and color it. Let's make it black, and there's also shadow, where here you can make it the shadow bigger, but it's not going to show because the outline is okay. I'm going to make the outline a bit a different color so you can see the shadows better. You can't really notice right here in this case, but it does change. Oh, shadows, enable shadows, yeah, that was the problem. And you can move the shadows, and of course you can choose a shadow color, but shadows in my opinion should be black, so I just leave it black. And of course you can write what you want here. And that's pretty much it, I think. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video and that it helped you. If it did help, leave a like and subscribe, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.